Jesus is coming? Who's been good? Have you? Who's been sort of good? Who's been bad? Let me see. Oh my goodness me. Who's been a complete angel? I've been an angel. I've been good all year.
You've been naughty.
Well, I've been naughty occasionally, but most of the year I've tried to be good. So if you see Santa, I want you to tell him, I've been good.
No, yeah, really.
I want you to ask him to come and see me, because he hasn't been to see me for like 40 years, 50 years. How old am I? I'm about as old as a dinosaur. How old do you think I am? 81. You're very close. So we are going to play some chord sequences. We are going to play some chord sequences that we've been working on. And hopefully everybody can keep up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. G, E minor, C, and D. G, E minor, C, and D. G, E minor, C, that's good enough. How were they? All right? They came out pretty well, didn't they? Maybe I should have sung. Do you want me to sing? Have you ever heard me sing? All right, we'll sing something. Let's sing. This first one, we'll sing this one. Okay, ready? We'll do this one again and I'll sing something. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.